Hi, Jeremy. I thought it would just be easier just to record what you did wrong on your homework itself. So I just need this pen mode here. Okay. So for this one here, so the x-coordinate's negative b, negative 4 over 2a, so this is right. For the y-coordinate, you substitute that back in. That's right. So we should get here 2, just checking your work here, minus 4. But you forgot the minus 1 here. So you forgot this part right here. So you put negative 2 for y, but it really should have been negative 3. So that's your error for number 1. So far. For number 3, I think you did the same thing here. So you did negative b over 2a, that's right. But then when you substituted the 1 back in, you forgot to add the 6 to it. So it should really be the y-intercept. The y part should be 4. And then this is vertex form, so you don't even have to do any work. So vertex form is x plus h squared plus k. So your vertex equals h comma k. We did this in 4.2. So 4.2, you could look back at your notes a little more for that. So your vertex here would be negative 4, because you do the opposite. Is what are you solving? What gives you 0 for x, and then 3. So that's where you went wrong for your vertex. Same thing here. Your vertex here, this is your h, and that's your k. So when you solve for h, you're going to get negative 1, negative 1. So I hope this video was helpful. If you need more hints, just let me know specifically where, and I'm happy to help you. Have a good day.